Good morning. Thank you for tuning into your daily operations weather brief for Tuesday, September 25th. We're seeing a lot more sunshine this morning out there than we did see yesterday across the region, and we are going to be remaining dry throughout much of the day. Maybe a very slight chance of an isolated shower towards the end of the workday or early this evening, but otherwise going to be just seeing a partly to mostly cloudy skies with a good amount of sunshine. Taking a look at our surface analysis this morning, we are still seeing that stationary front lingering across portions of the mid-Atlantic this morning. However, the main cloud cover that kept us locked in throughout the day yesterday has moved north and west of the region, leaving us with mostly sunny skies earlier this morning. We will be seeing those clouds slowly increase throughout the morning hours into this afternoon, however, but going to be seeing a much more sunnier and a warmer day than we did see yesterday, with all that drizzle and rainfall we did receive. You can see we have a weak low down there just south of Cape Hatteras. That low isn't expected to really do much, as it's going to encounter quite a bit of shear today and into tomorrow, and it's going to be veering offshore to the northeast as we go throughout the day today, remaining well away from Wallops as it continues to weaken. It's not expected to develop into anything significant. Could give us that slight chance of an isolated shower as we go towards this afternoon, evening, but maybe some enhancement of our upper level cloudiness. But other than that, not expected to really impact our area whatsoever. Taking a look at our satellite and radar loop this morning, you can see that main area of cloud cover has moved across just northern portions of Delmarva and across our areas around our nation's capital. But here across the Wallops region, we are seeing just partly cloudy skies, and that should be continuing throughout the morning hours, possibly seeing a little bit more cloudiness as we go later in the day, and especially as we go into this evening and into tonight, we'll start to see those lower level clouds fill back into the area. We're going to continue to see some onshore flow today from the southeast, and that'll keep our temperatures just a little bit in check, but still very warm for this time of year. Still going to be seeing those highs soar into the lower 80s. Usually this time of year we'll see temperatures in the mid 70s, so still seeing that above average warmth across the region. As of 8:15 a.m., we're seeing a few clouds at 4,000 feet, few at 9,000, and a broken cirrus deck at 25,000 feet. Winds were from azimuth 120 at 6 knots with a temperature of 75 degrees. Taking a look at our weather chart for today, we're going to be looking at a high of 83 today as we go into this afternoon. We'll see those clouds slowly increase later today with some low cloudiness possible once again as we get into tonight. Best chances for any isolated shower activity does look to be between about 4 p.m. and 10 p.m. as we go towards this afternoon, but otherwise going to be remaining dry throughout the bulk of the workday today. Those winds are going to be southeasterly around 8 to 13 knots and a little bit gusty, mainly over on the island. Not seeing too much in the way of gusts here on the main base, but could be seeing a little bit higher winds at times over on the island and along the immediate coastline. As we go into tonight, those winds will shift more south-southeasterly at 6 to 11 knots, becoming southerly after midnight, and then starting to turn a little bit more south-southwesterly by the time we reach the mid-morning hours on Wednesday, with a very unseasonably warm low expected for tomorrow of only 74 degrees, which is about 15 degrees warmer than our average low is for this time of year. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, going to be seeing a similar cloud cover that we have been seeing this morning across the area for much of the remaining morning hours here. And as we go toward this afternoon, we'll possibly see those ceilings lower down to between 4,000 and 6,000 feet at times. Very slight chance of seeing some overcast conditions around that 4,000 feet level, but mainly just going to be seeing a broken deck near 4,000 feet, broken at 10,000, then some broken upper level clouds. We're going to be seeing those ceilings possibly lower a little bit lower than that to around 3,000 feet if we get into any isolated shower activity late this afternoon or early this evening. And then tonight we'll see some more lower level clouds filter into the area, possibly seeing a ceiling around 1,500 feet at times. Very slight chance of it being below 1,000 feet after midnight between 8 a.m. And then by 8 a.m. we'll see broken decks at 3,000 and 5,000 feet, and then a broken cirrus deck as well. Still seeing some pretty high tides out there due to that persistent onshore flow we've been receiving, with tides 1 to 1.5 foot above normal. Taking a look at the next couple days for tomorrow, going to be partly to mostly cloudy at times. It is going to be dry throughout much of the day, if not the entire day. We won't be getting a chance of an isolated shower or a slight chance of a thunderstorm until early in the evening or late in the afternoon as we have a front approaching the area. It is going to be very, very warm for this time of year tomorrow, and humid as well, with a high of 86. Seeing the best chance for that shower activity after about 7 o'clock in the evening. Then Wednesday night, we're going to be seeing that front move across the area. That's going to be our best chance for some showers and thunderstorms under mostly cloudy skies. Mainly seeing those showers and thunderstorms before midnight with a low of 66. But then that front does look like it's going to stall out across southern portions of the Delmarva. And then it's going to have some upper-level energy riding along that front, and that's going to continue rain chances throughout much of the day on Thursday, possibly giving us another day that was very, very similar to what we saw yesterday, with not too much sun, overcast skies with low ceilings. Going to be seeing scattered showers throughout the day, as well as a slight chance of a thunderstorm late in the day on Thursday. Going to be looking at a much cooler high of 72. That'll do it for your daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for your full weather briefing and extended outlook. Have a great day.